This is test ID 71, component ID 80. It's the Purge monitor for the natural vacuum leak detection switch signal. Now, we encourage you to please go watch the training section specifically on Chrysler natural vacuum leak detection. The test limit is going to be a minimum value. Now, the natural vacuum switch should close when the canister purge solenoid is opened with the natural vacuum leak detection solenoid off. That will give us a check valve, causing it to develop about a 4 to 6 inch of water vacuum. If that doesn't happen, we either have one or several failures. First of all, we have a major vacuum leak present. That's a possibility. Maybe the switch doesn't work at all, or the purge solenoid does not operate properly, or the hose is not connected, or it has the major leak we're talking about. Could be one of the solenoids, the solenoid that is supposed to close to cause the check valves to operate is stuck open, or one of the check valves in the process is stuck open. So here's typical data. We look down here, we have it in the red box. It passes the minimum limit. So how do we test if it fails? Well, first, expect to see a major vacuum leak. And we're going to talk about, you'll see some other failures if you have a major vacuum leak. Check the natural vacuum leak detection switch action. Check the check valves to see if they're operating. The best way for you to diagnose it is first go watch the video natural vacuum leak detection so you can totally understand how the system works, and that'll help you with your diagnostics, because that'll break down and train you in how all the pieces are supposed to work, so you'll understand our description of the testing we just went through.